Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock keyboard on laptop and PC. If your laptop's keyboard suddenly stopped working or feels locked, don't worry, I will show you a simple way to unlock your laptop keyboard step by step. So let's start the video. As you can see, I'm typing, but nothing appears on the screen because my keyboard is locked. It's due to a feature called filter keys. To fix this, locate the shift key on your keyboard. Press and hold the shift key for about 8 seconds. After holding it, you will hear a beep sound, which means your keyboard is unlocked. Now try typing on your keyboard again. It should be working perfectly. So that's how to unlock keyboard on Windows 11 and Windows 10 laptop. Thanks for watching.